What's up, y'all? It's Misha from the Misha Unfiltered channel, where I talk about entrepreneurship, business, and a little bit of story time and some DIY beauty vlogs. So let's get right into it. How do I book more clients as a massage therapist or even an esthetician? So y'all already know I am a massage therapist. I have been a massage therapist or even in the spa industry as a spa professional for about 7 to 8 years, something like that. 7 years. Let's just say 7 years. And I have been on this roller coaster, but it has been good to me. It is life changing and it can change your life too. You just know how to do it, know how to work it, and be consistent. And you can get those clients. You can be booked and busy, honey. Now, if you really want to book more clients, make sure you watch to the end. Subscribe, like, comment, and share if you care with a friend or somebody that can really use this video to improve their business. Period. So let's get right into it, y'all. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure you have business cards, flyers, and a website. Okay, the website is optional. However, you do need some type of booking site. Like, what is it? Equity, Style Seat, Booksy, some type of site that's going to help you book clients online, as well as a phone line, because some clients just don't book online. They book via phone. However, you can do some type of incentive if people book online compared to booking by phone, but you give both options. I like to give both options. Even to this day, I still give both options because I'm just always booked and busy because I give both options. Now, I know some people would rather just have people book online, and it's good for some people. Don't get me wrong, it is good. However, some people just I don't know what it is. Some people just want to call and hear a voice, or just put a voice to a business name. So I just give both options. However, you can do website only. I use Style Seat, but I hear Booksy is good as well. I tried them all, so if I can do a separate video on that. If you want me to, let me know in the comments. I will do a video on that, which is better, pros and cons of booking sites. But you will need to pass out your business cards and your your flyers. You need those to pass it out in your area, okay? What I like to do personally is hire somebody off Craigslist to pass out flyers on a big, like the busiest street next to my location, and have them passing out flyers, looking presentable, post on Craigslist under gigs, and pay them a decent amount, whatever you feel is affordable. I say about $15 an hour, $20 an hour, depends, or I might give a flat rate fee. Depends on what's going on at the time, what I'm trying to do or whatnot. That works like crazy. Putting it on cars, like if there's a in my location currently, there are a lot of parking garages, so I have them pass out, put flyers on cars, different cars, and it works like no tomorrow. That still works to this day. You buy the your marketing materials are everything, the little doorknobs, the homes that are closest to your area, to your target audience. Make sure you put them on different houses, the little doorknob hangers. That works. You notice when you get mail, sometimes there are like a lot of little marketing materials you get because people are passing out flyers. That's how you're going to know about them. They're new to your neighborhood, to your business. So still use that. That's why I made this number one. Even though there's no particular order, all of these work. So you will continue to stay booked and busy. There's no reason why you are not going to be booked and busy as a massage therapist or even an esthetician. Estheticians use the same exact, any spa professional use these same tactics. Okay, number two, I don't hear a lot of people talking about this. I would even do a tutorial on this, but Thumbtack. Thumbtack.com. This is a site that you can post as an independent contractor or you're self-employed, so it doesn't even have to be a massage therapist or esthetician. You can be a plumber and post on this site. However, there are plenty of massage therapists on here, and I mean, it's a little competition, but it's not that bad. You find your niche and you post on there, you're going to be that person. Like, you're going to be the go-to in your neighborhood or in your city in whatever you do. Okay, so you have to post on Thumbtack. Thumbtack will bring you a lot of clients. It will. Trust and believe when I say use Thumbtack if you want to be booked and busy. Okay, Thumbtack.com. Next, I want to say Yelp. YELP.com. Yelp is great. You do have to pay to play a bit, depending on how much competition you have in your area. Yelp does paid ads on on their site to get more visibility. You can do about a day. If you're familiar with that, about if you have a marketing budget, that'll be great for you. However, you can get clients here and there just off Yelp, just being on Yelp. So Yelp for Business, they have an app for that. You sign up for, you make your profile. Your profile needs to have pictures, it needs to be laid out, your services need to be listed. Okay, next, this is a pro. There is a pro and a con to the next one I'm going to say. It's going to have you booked and busy. However, you do have to compete in the beginning when you first start using this site just to get clients, because you have to bring your prices down. I'm going to say Groupon. Groupon will have you booked and busy. Have you ever used Groupon before? Oh, okay. That is why you're going to use Groupon, so you can stay booked and busy. There's no reason why you should have so many gaps. Okay, Groupon will help you build and establish a clientele. Okay, it's not hard. Like, once you're done with Groupon and let's say you like, I want to go back to regular pricing, Groupon just to help you, people know who you are, get established. Nobody knows who you are like that. Like, who are you? Okay, oh, you got a service for $60, let me go try that out. Oh, $50, $40. So Groupon has this thing on there where they recommend the prices based on what you're saying. However, you do need to, depending on what you do and your services you offer, you need to make sure you have a license or show proof of some nature that you are a go-to or expert in that field. You do have to show your credentials as a massage therapist, and I think even as an esthetician, to use Groupon to promote your services. But they work, okay? They work like magic, I'm telling you. Okay, use Groupon, and I can do a tutorial on that. So if anything I've said so far that you want more in depth of how to do it, or you're struggling with it, let me know in the comments. I will show you guys, show you better than I can tell you on how to do this booked and busy thing. Okay, now this is for massage therapists. This site is strictly for massage therapists. Massagebook.com. Okay, now I posted on here when I was still in school. Okay, I posted on Massagebook.com. This is before I even got out of school and I was finished with my classes. Okay, and they didn't ask for my credentials or anything, but they brought me clients, and I wasn't like being consistent on there or like, you know, made a pretty profile or anything of that nature. I just wanted to see how it worked. I wanted to know, once I do start working, how to use these sites. So I was really just playing around with it, and I looked and I realized, oh my God, I got my online booking on, so somebody can book me right now. Somebody booked me. I was like, I'm sorry, I gotta cancel. I didn't know that I had my books open for people to book me. I'm still in school. I just want to see how this website works, so I can help myself to clientele once I'm out of school, and others as well, because I always knew I was going to find out this information to help other people, because a lot of people just do not know how to stay booked and busy. Booked and busy, or they're booked but they're not booked and busy. Okay, it's a difference between being, oh, I'm booked, but are you booked and busy? Are you, you know what I'm saying? Are you getting to the bag? Okay, are you really like have a consistent income that you know you can depend on, because you are that girl. Okay, so Massagebook.com, massage therapist, you have to get on here. Even if you're not now, get on there regardless. It's just a good look if you're an independent contractor or self-employed. Even spas can post on Massagebook. Let me not forget to mention that. If you're a spa, you're not necessarily self-employed or anything, you can post your spa on here and then have different massage therapists or estheticians under your spa business on Massagebook.com. So that works as well. So you need to make sure you're on every site. Every site that there is, you need to be on there so people can know about you, okay? Posting in the newspaper, okay? Newspaper, the Tribune and stuff like that. People forget about these things. I'm telling you. Post in the newspaper. The newspaper, people still be reading it. Oh, Danielle massage. I'm about to go, okay. So definitely post in the newspaper. This one is optional. However, I still used it just so I can know how to help other people use it. I think I'm going to do a tutorial on this. Facebook ads. Facebook ads work. I'm good at Facebook ads when it comes to a local business. Locally, okay? Not e-commerce yet. I'm still working on e-commerce, but local businesses, such as myself, as massage therapists, it's all about the video, the ads. You need to record yourself doing some type of doing your services or some type of massage or whatever your niche is, some type of or a GIF, GIF, some type of action. People need to see what you're doing, and it could be anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. I like 5-second videos and little GIFs to show people because it's attractive, and a lot of people have a very, very short attention span. So that works for me. So if it was hot stones, I know I did one video ad with hot stones, just showing my arms and hands and the motions of my hands connecting with the tissues of the body and the hot stones gliding across a woman's back. That was my video ad at one point, and that worked for me. Facebook allows you to make your location, your audience size based on your location. So it will only promote your services to people in that area, to, let's say, 90210. You can put in an address and have only those people be targeted. So you definitely can have a specialized target audience on Facebook ads. I wasn't too big of a fan of Facebook compared to the other sites, but Facebook does work. So if you got a little extra money in your budget, make sure you have a Facebook fan page or a follow page, and this is how you're going to be able to do your ads. So make sure you have this as well if you have extra money in your marketing budget. Make a Facebook page and do ads. $5 a day is great. You need to figure out who your audience is. What are they responding to? Is the ad working? You might need to make some adjustments. You might need to make some adjustments to the description or what your title says, things of that nature. So you will find out in the beginning. So having a little marketing budget aside when you first start your business is key. And this brings me to my last one I'm going to say, which is social media marketing. Social media marketing is important because, especially if you have a budget, social media marketing can change the game for you as well, okay? So let's say you stay in Kansas or St. Louis or whatever. You stay in Memphis. So what you're going to do is find an influencer or somebody that is some type of social media guru in your city or wherever your location of your spa is going to be. Find a person that's popping out there that does a lot of online videos. And they don't have to be popping like that. They don't need to be millions and millions of views. However, that works as well if you can afford that or those people. But somebody is getting a lot of engagement. That's what's important. Somebody getting a lot of engagement. Their niche is similar to yours, or they can benefit from your services, or their audience may benefit from your services or are attracted to your services. So look at all those components when picking an influencer in your city to massage them or give them a facial or body contouring services for free, okay? A lot of them do it like, I will give your services for free. Now, if you need help with that, with what to write them, DM them, or email them, a lot of influencers like to be emailed. I personally like to be emailed. I don't see DM as professional, but some people will say DM me. you can still hit those people up. They say DM me, okay, DM them. If they don't have anything, and you only see an email, email them a professional email. Leave a comment if you would like to know what should I say in this email or in this DM, or hit them up on Instagram. What should I say? This works, I'm telling you. Okay, you massaging the popular person in your city. Okay, it's a lot of other people in their city that's following them, and they see that. So do some collaborations. That is going to help you thrive and be booked and busy. Now, if you got a lot of value from this video, please share with your friends or your entrepreneur friends or the cousins of the entrepreneur friends and all people that can benefit from this. All people that are self-employed, independent contractors, you all can benefit from this video. However, massage therapists and estheticians, make sure you pay attention and listen to everything I just said and implement this to your services. And let me know. In the next 6 months of doing this, 6 months, give it 6 months. Let me know and come back and say, I am booked and busy. It's Misha Unfiltered, and I will be back with another episode. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Bye.